Hello all my YouTube friends. We're here on this beautiful Seattle day. Look at this. Isn't this just so pretty? To talk about the G20. Tonight is the last night that she'll spend with us. This has been a great van. This is a 1984 Chevrolet G20 with the high top conversion. And letting her go today. The new owner, she is currently on the way to pick her up. Just want to show you, this one had the optional rear heating and air unit built into the rear. But it's got its own heater core and everything back here for the blower. Curtains, all the trim and stuff is good. This is the barn door setup, which I prefer this over the slider any day. A little dark in here. Let me put the key in it. This van has a new 305 AC Delco engine in it. Where's the switch? There's the switch. 1, 2. Boom. But it has a new AC Delco 305 engine in it. This is a carbureted 305. It has a 4-barrel carburetor on it. It runs okay. Captain's chairs in the front that swivel. It also had the seats in the back here that swiveled. We removed those for more space. She's going to turn it into a camper style van. So this is going to work out perfect for her needs, I believe. Got a little Sony radio up in there. Figure leave that. Has a turbo hydromatic 3-speed transmission. They don't have glove boxes. They have the center console storage down here. And man, I hate to see it go, but you know, it's time to let her go to someone who can use it. These are great vans. This one runs like a top, and I just don't really have any use for it. So I just wanted to film for a minute. It's pouring rain, so the camera's getting a little wet. I don't want to talk for too long. But here she is. And it's been fun, you know? So this is my 1984 Chevrolet G20 conversion. And I can't remember who made the conversion top for it. I'll check again before she picks it up and see if I can't see the tag. But anyway, guys, there she goes. Last video, then off to her new home. This van is going, where is it? Somewhere in southwest Oregon. She's going down there. So, any viewers in the Oregon area, Bend, maybe you'll see it, who knows. Thanks for watching, guys.